Second, learning disabilities in math. Dyscalculia. Difficulty in learning arithmetic. A child's ability to do maths will be affected differently by a language learning disability or a visual disorder or a difficulty with sequencing, memory or organization. After a person's ability to understand numbers and learn math facts, individuals with this type of learning disability may also have poor comprehension of maths symbols, may struggle with memorizing and organizing numbers, have difficulty telling time, or have trouble with counting. A difficulty in learning arithmetic. A child's ability to do maths will be affected differently by a language learning disability or a visual disorder or a difficulty with sequencing, memory or organization. Signs and symptoms of dyscalculia. One, shows difficulty understanding concepts of place, values and quantity, number line, positive and negative value, carrying and borrowing. 2, has difficulty understanding and doing word problems. 3, has difficulty sequencing information or events. 4, exhibits difficulty using steps involved in math operations. 5, shows difficulty understanding fractions. 6, is challenged making change and handling money. 7, displays difficulty recognizing patterns when adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing. 8, has difficulty putting language to math processes. 9, has difficulty understanding concepts related to time such as days, week, months, seasons, quarters. 10, exhibits difficulty organizing problems on the page, keeping numbers line up, following through on long division problems. Strategies to overcome dyscalculia. First strategy, allow use of fingers and scratch paper. Second, use diagrams and draw math concepts. 3, provide peer assistance. 4, suggest use of graph paper 5. Suggest use of colored pencils to differentiate problems. 6. Work with manipulators. 7. Draw pictures of word problems. 8. Use mnemonic devices to learn steps of a maths concept. 9. Use rhythm and music to teach math facts and to set steps to a beat. 10. Schedule computer time for the student for drill and practice. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.